What's up guys, my name is Jay and in this video I'm gonna talk about two most important software you must have to speed up your computer and keep it clean from junks. And the first software is the CCleaner, which is free, and I will post the link below in the description so that you can download the latest version of it. What CCleaner does is extraordinary. The CCleaner cleans junks from your computer and you can select what junk you want to clean up. If you want to clean everything from web history and passwords and all that, then check all the checkbox here. So what you just need to do is just check the options you want to clean, or just stick with the stock setting and just click on the run cleaner. It will start cleaning your computer, and as you can see, it is cleaning my log files and start menu shortcuts and all the prefetch data, internet cache and all that kind of junk which is taking too much space in my hard disk. There we go. It has cleared total of half GB of junk data from my computer. So this was the first feature of the CCleaner. The second feature is the registry cleaner. What this registry cleaner does is scan for the obsolete registries in your registry and fix it. So let me just run the scan for the registry problems. It will scan for the missing shared DLLs and unused file extensions and type library, application, funds, help files, installers, run at startup and all that kind of stuffs. Boom, it has completed the scanning of the registry here, and a lot of missing references and invalid registry entries are here. So what you need to fix this is just click on the fix selected issue and make sure you have everything checked. Just click on it and just, do you want to backup changes to the registry? I don't like to backup changes to my registry since it will do no harm to your computer. So click on the no and then choose fix all selected issues. Issues fixed. So it has deleted the registry values and all that kind of stuff. The third thing it has is the tools here, where you can just uninstall any application, or here is the important thing, which it keep track of your startup applications. So here you can see I have a lot of startup application. So whatever the application you don't use, just select the application and click on the disable button. Since I am not using Bing Desktop anymore, so I would like to disable it. And there is nothing. I don't want my uTorrent to start when Windows starts, so just click on the disable, and that's all for now. Even you can disable the plugins of Internet Explorer, Firefox, Google Chrome, Schedule Task, and even you can change the context menu. Then we have File Finder, which will search for the 0-byte files and all that kind of crap. We don't need this. Then we have System Restore. You can even delete the System Restore points here. So I have 2 restore points right now, so I don't need this one. This is the old one, so I just deleted this one. Then we have is the Drive Wiper. So what it does is clean up your free space, or you can choose from here if you want to clean up only free space or entire drive. Make sure you don't erase the entire drive or you will lose all the data. Just make it selected the free space only. And there is methods, simple overwrite 1 pass and advanced overwrite 3 passes, and what it gonna do is securely delete all of your data from the drives you select. And here is some options which you can just go and set it. I'm not going to explain any of these. So that was the first application which was essential for everyone, and the second one is the defragger. I will also post the link of this in this description below, so you can download it. And what this does is defrag your drive. Let me tell you what the heck is defragment. So what defragment does is take all of your content on the hard disk and place it in a queue, like one by one. So all your free space will be separated, on all your data will be separated. Like you can see my C drive, all of the data is in the front of the drive and the free space is here. My D drive is not defragmented properly. I have some data here and free space, then data, and so simply what I need to do is just click on the defrag button and it will do the job. As you can see here, 4% fragmentation is in my hard disk and it is now defragmenting my hard disk. So let it defrag my hard disk. And thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am posting a lot of programming tutorials here and other basic stuffs which you might wanna check. So thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.